Hello YouTube, this is Dotz from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a tiny haul from Aliexpress. It's part of a larger haul, but anyway, I'm just doing it separately. This is a diamond dots, and please don't ask me who the seller was because I'm reorganizing my room and my bags, my individual Aliexpress bags got lost, thrown away. So I don't know where it came from, but if you type in purple butterfly, this is the only one that would come up, I think. So I didn't see too many pictures in purple in general, so I'm sure this one will be easy to find. So I got this from my sister. Her favorite color is purple, and I did another one that was an Aliexpress, but I framed it and I put it somewhere, and I pray to God I didn't put it in the wrong bag and throw it away after I did all the work. I hope I did not, because that one's for my daughter. But anyway, so and I did another one which I showed you a video on that one that I've already completed too. So this will be my fourth one, and this is the butterfly one. So that's how that looks. So this is just a reflection of it at the bottom, so I would not diamond dots that area, paint that area. You just paint the top half. So this is a small, nice beginner one, quick one that you can do. And actually my sister just came down to visit for the holidays, so we're gonna meet at my mom's house, and I'm gonna have her and I do this together. She's gonna do some of the work. She doesn't know that yet, but I'm gonna get her to see if she can fall in love with diamond dots as well. Anyway, so I'm attach the end result onto this video. But it came with the little bow, the little wax, and the drill bit tube thing. And so you can tell this is also another small kit because it only came with like 9 pouches. So it's not a lot of colors. It won't take a lot of time to complete. So these are the drill bits, maybe a little bit more than 9, 8. So it's not a lot of beads in there, so it won't take too long to complete that. But we'll be talking and eating, so I also ordered this extra set from Aliexpress. Sorry about all the crinkling. I do apologize. Let me open this up real quick. I know some people like that sound, some people don't. And I think this was like $2 or something. And this was just for extra supplies, you know. So it came with 10 of these little wax squares, 2 boats. I call them boats, 2 trays. And it came with several pair of tweezers. These are plastic. And several of the drill bits. They're different ones and they have different ending pieces. All of them, you put the wax in it right there and help pick them up. But on the bottom, you have different sizes. Like these can pick up, I think 2 or 3 at a time, all the way up to 6 at a time. And sorry about that lighting. Actually, like 11 o'clock in the daytime on the 25th. Yeah. So anyway, these can pick up more than 1 at a time, but you can only use the same colors that you need. It's easier that way. You just roll them out. So I thought I'd give that a try and see how they work. So just some extra ones in case I do some more. So this will be my 4th one. So I will stay tuned. I'm going to add that onto the end of this, the end results. Okay, so I'm back. I just want to show you the finished reveal of this Aliexpress diamond dots that I got, called the butterfly number 9458. This is stick drill site. I don't remember if that's the name of it, but it was, I want to say maybe $650, $750 was the price. I don't know the seller, but I think it's the only purple one item that I saw when I typed in butterflies. So anyway, you should be able to find it. I know it wasn't more than $78. Anyway, this cost me, time wise, about 3 hours to get it done. And yeah, so I did try out the multiple, this one 3 at a time stick that I got from Aliexpress. I prefer doing it individually. You can do it sometimes 2 pick up and sometimes 3 pick up, but I don't know, believe it or not, I felt it was faster just to do the one. So that's it up close. I still got a wrinkle in it, so I just gotta lay it out flat because I didn't lay it out really good flat before I started sticking it up there. But it stick it in a frame, it'll press out. Excuse me. Oh, with a rolling pin. I haven't done any of that yet, but I just want to show you real quick. I finished that, so I'm just adding this on to that video. Just also you saw before it was done how it looks completed, and I just wanted to get it done real quick before she goes, before the first of the year, before she goes back home. And I think today's the 27th, but I'm not sure what day this video I get up, because, you know, entertaining. But anyway, trying to make this real quick, so I just want you guys to see what the final looks like. And it's an easy craft, fun, simple, and it's one of those crafts kind of like crocheting. You can do a little bit, put it down, pick it up, do a little, pick it up, take it down, that kind of stuff. So you don't have to work on it consecutively, but you know, commercial breaks, lunch breaks, different times like that, you know, when you don't feel like you can't think of something to craft, but you still want to be in your craft room, you know. So and it's free artwork that you made. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.